got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it clap. I got 3 old guys on the block, word it. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelts by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of the buckle and pull free to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push ends to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, full inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. This aircraft equipped with emergency exit sign found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your side pocket. We thank you for your attention and wish you all a safety and happy flight.